That's that garment. Now, let's talk a little bit about this corset. And the corset is what everyone has been reaching out to me about, right? The corset. Now, the corset is what some people would call a bit extreme, right? You have metal garments, right? That goes down the front. And the metal boning is throughout this garment, all around. I don't even think I could bend this, right? So when you put this on, you're not going anywhere, okay? I choose to sleep in this garment. Now, do I recommend that you sleep in a corset? No, I do not. This does not give you any flexibility at all. You're going to sit up erect, and that boning is not going to allow you to move much. So when I sleep in it, in the beginning, oh my gosh, I slept straight like a board. Now, after 5 months, I wear this, I put it on, I sleep in it, I move like it's a part of my body now, right? So this too, I started off in a extra large. This is now a medium. And I'm on well, there's only one row of hooks here, as you can see. However, the back is where you tie it up and you string it up. So as your waist starts to get smaller, you should be able to then cinch this all the way in. Once you do that, then you have graduated. You no longer can fit in this garment. You will need a smaller garment. Now, again, because I did such drastic measures, I used so many different garments throughout the 5 to 7 months. That's why I believe I was able to shrink my waist as fast as I have. Now, once I finish this medium, I'm good. I'm not going to get a smaller one. I don't want my body to look out of proportion, disproportioned. I don't want to look like a freak of nature. So I just want a smaller waist. So once I complete this, I will be done and I will just maintain my waist size. So I'm hoping to get to a 29 or a 30 waist. Right now, like I said, I'm a 31, and that was the last time, a 31 and a half. That was the last time I measured myself, which was over a month ago. So it could even be smaller right now. I just haven't chose to measure it, not yet. So I'm gonna wait. So this is a corset, which is totally different than this waist trainer that you wear every day, all day under your clothes. This is a little more pliable, right? You can breathe, you can bend, you can talk, you can eat. This, you cannot exercise in this. You cannot, I don't wear it under my regular clothes to work because you can detect it. Now, if I have on, let's say, some leggings or a pair of jeans and I'm going out, I will wear this over my clothing because it's very fashionable. So I will do that. But I do not wear this during the day, and I do not wear it under my business clothes because everyone will know that you have this garment on. But I do sleep in it. And if I'm home on a Saturday or Sunday, I will put this on to give myself a break from this waist trainer, the Luxe Curves. So again, I love, love, love this. This too is an investment, okay? This product cost me, and I've used the same one, and I'm so sorry, but I don't recall the name of it, but you can see that it is a medium. I don't recall the name of it, but I did get it off of Amazon. And the same one I've been using, the extra large now, the medium. I love it. I would swear by a corset. This will run you anywhere from $50 to $200. This one I paid $70 for each time. So again, it is an investment, but it does work. So that's the corset. Now, let's talk about, I wouldn't call this a waist trainer. This is also a garment that will help you and allow you to sweat, because it's made out of latex. This is not something that you would wear underneath your clothes at work because you're gonna sweat, and who wants to walk around sweaty? This is an extra large. When I first started off, of course, I can no longer wear this. It has a zipper. It has a zipper. And it also has, let's see, I'm having a little difficulty here. It has the snaps here, the hooks. So again, once you finish this garment, you would have lost 3 inches on your waist. It's good to work out in. I only worked out in this. I didn't do anything else because it wasn't something that I could wear under regular clothing. But it did work. This came from Amazon and it was like $12.99. Very, very affordable, $12.99. So it does work. But if you want to go on a budget, this is the one to go. It does the exact same thing as the next one that I'm going to show you. But the next one has a lot more structure. It really compresses you. I mean, it sucks the life out of you. And I'll get into that. That's called the J-Scope. So let's talk about the J-Scope. The J-Scope will definitely put fire on you. All right, so the J-Scope, it's also made out of latex on the outside. It has this soft, like, not Velcro-y, and it's not flannel, but it's a nice material. I can wear like nothing under this because it comes from underneath your waist and it goes all the way down to your hips. And I feel comfortable, but you do sweat. So when you put this on the J-Scope, you zip it up. This too, my husband had to help me put on for at least a couple of weeks before I could put it on myself. So by the time I ordered the J-Scope, I'd already lost 30 pounds. So I did not purchase a large one. I immediately went directly towards the medium. So this is a medium, okay? And once you zip it up, it sucks you in. Then you have the Velcro, and you take the Velcro and you put it like this, like so, and as you shrink, you pull it tighter. This too, an investment. This was like $69. You can catch them on sale. It's called jsculpt.com. It is the real deal. Look, I can't even pull this, right? Now I can put this garment on by myself, no help. Like I said before, my husband had to help me get into this too for several weeks. I'm probably not gonna go smaller than the medium because like I said, I just wanna get my waist to like a 29 or 30 and I'll just maintain. I only wear this to exercise in. You cannot wear this underneath your clothes. As you can see, it's too thick, it's too bulky. If you saw my video on the keto diet and what I ate for a week, I had this on, but it makes you bulky around here. So it looks like I'm about 2-3 months pregnant down there because it's thick. It's very, very, very thick. So again, it's not something you can conceal under your clothes, definitely not underneath my work clothes. I only wear this to the gym. So, ladies, that is it for my waist trainers. Now, I know a lot of you are gonna wanna know, okay, how do I put this on? Please show me. Of course, due to time restraints, this video is already about 25 minutes long. So I would have to do another video and demonstrate how to put on a waist trainer for the first time, how to size for a waist trainer for your body. So again, ladies, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to see more videos on waist training, please, please, please just let me know. Thank you. I'm out. Have a good evening. Fat 50 and fabulous.